It is two-step process to FPS drop fix in Windows 10. Go to Start, type regedit, click here to open it. In the register editor, click here to expand HKey current user, then expand systems. Then click on Game Config Store. On the right side, right click on Game DVR enabled. Then click in Modify. Then change value data 1 to 0. Then click on OK. In the next step, expand HKey local machine. Then expand software. Now, search for Policy Manager. Now expand it. In the expand default, now search for Application Management. Then expand it. Select Allow Game DVR. On the right side, right click on Value. Click on Modify. Again change value data to 1 to 0. Then click on OK. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go.